Hey everybody, it's Audrey from Audrey Lynn Studios on the west side of Canada near Vancouver, for those of you who don't know me. Yeah, I'm just popping on here for a real short video. I received a package from 3D Kamotion, that's Sue Butler, for a roller that I had ordered. And I wanted to wait to film it to open the package. Yeah, I looked on here and I received this August 7th is what it says. So it's been waiting that long, and I know you're watching soon. I'm so sorry, but I just didn't want to open it until I could film it. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so as most of you know, I did get a 3D printer, and I have been selling some of my designs and making my own to use for my own pottery, but that doesn't mean I'm going to stop ordering from Sue, because she has some things that I don't have, and that's awesome. All right, so she says here, I love this, she always gives a cookie recipe, perfect sugar cookie recipe and marshmallow fondant, because she actually sells, that's how she started, selling this stuff for baking. So, and then please hand wash in warm water. And I had ordered the pineapple textured roller and the texture roller stamp fish pattern. All right, I knew I ordered the pineapple thing, but I actually had forgotten what else I ordered. So let's see. She packages her stuff in nice blue paper, unlike me, puts it in newsprint. Okay, here we go. Oh, that looks fun. I saw this on her Instagram, 3D Kamotion, and it's, yeah, pineapple. Nicely done. I'm excited to use that, so I will show you on a different video or a short. And then now, I don't even remember. Oh yes, okay, so that's the tree roller. Nice, that's going to look really nice on a mug. But I see 3 things here, so Sue has spoiled me again. For goodness sake, Audrey, do this. Aw, fishies. I love that. That's awesome. That's going to look great on an under the sea plate. Aw, thanks so much, Sue. I love that. Okay, so how fun. Pineapple. And there's a meaning behind the pineapple. I think that's kind of fun. With the trees that I ordered and the fishies. So, yeah, today I got a glaze. Sorry. So I will, as soon as I can, roll out a slab and show you what those look like. Anyway, so yeah, follow Sue, 3D Kamotion on Instagram, and she has an Etsy store. That's where you buy these from, 3D Kamotion. All right, peace out.